Understanding media kits, essential tools for business promotion. What is a media kit? A media kit, also referred to as a press kit, is a collection of materials and information that a company curates to provide essential information to reporters, journalists, and other media outlets. It serves as a promotional public relations tool that can be utilized during various events such as the launch of a new business, product announcements, or service promotions. By presenting a cohesive package of information, a media kit helps companies convey their message effectively and address frequently asked questions, saving both time and effort for employees. Key takeaways. Definition: a media kit is designed for media professionals to gain quick access to relevant information about a company. Contents typically includes biographies of key executives, contact information, an overview of products or services, and company mission and vision statements. Online presence: it's valuable to include details about the company's website, audience demographics, traffic statistics, and social media profiles. Purpose: serves to shape the narrative surrounding how a company wants to be perceived. Building a media kit. Creating an effective media kit requires consideration of your specific business needs. The kit should demonstrate creativity, excellence, and clarity, ensuring that essential information is readily accessible for media professionals. A well-constructed media kit acts as a snapshot of your business, ready to introduce you to potential partners, clients, and the press. Formats of media kits. Media kits can take various forms ranging from a basic web page on a company's website to a more complex physical package sent to selected media personnel. Here are some typical elements included in a media kit. Company overview, official company name, history, and the functions it serves. Leadership team, biographies and titles of executives, highlighting their qualifications and roles within the organization. Resourceful materials, photos, infographics, and any positive press releases or awards received. Media contacts, up-to-date contact information for reporters and media inquiries. Possible components of a media kit. 1. Social media following. Including statistics from your social media accounts can provide insight into your reach and engagement. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, now X, Facebook, and LinkedIn should all be represented, as they showcase your influence and capability for partnerships. 2. Website traffic. Highlighting website statistics such as unique visitors, page views, bounce rates, and user demographics can illustrate your online presence. Utilizing tools like Google Analytics can lend credibility to your data. 3. Audience demographics. Understanding and sharing your audience's demographics is vital. This information will allow potential partners or collaborators to assess if your audience aligns with their objectives. 4. Pricing information. Incorporating your rates can save time for both your business and potential clients. This transparency helps audiences decide if your offerings fit within their budget. 5. Business goals. Clearly outlining your objectives in the media kit encourages recipients to envision how they could engage with you. Sharing your strategic goals can spark interest and foster potential collaborations. 6. Contact information. Always ensure that your contact information is current. This should include a reliable email address, phone numbers, and links to your social media accounts. 7. Company overview. Adding a brief description about your company, outlining your vision and values, can enhance the recipient's understanding of who you are. Example of a media kit. An illustrative example of a media kit is showcased by Kiplinger.com, a finance website. Their media kit clearly outlines the value proposition of their content and includes links to their media products like the Kiplinger Personal Finance magazine. They also provide contact information for advertisers, thereby ensuring that the media kit effectively communicates both their offerings and engagement methods. Importance of media kits. A media kit is crucial for any business, acting as a gateway for media personnel to access important information easily. Having a well-prepared media kit can help establish your brand, provide valuable metrics, and conveys your readiness to engage with the media. How to create a media kit. The content of your media kit will vary depending on your business type and industry. It typically includes contact information, company history, biographies of key personnel, client testimonials or case studies, mission and vision statements. A media kit can even be as simple as a web page containing all essential information. Who should use media kits? Media kits are indispensable for all business ventures. Whether you are a small startup or a large corporation, having a media kit on hand can provide quick access to essential company data when opportunities arise. It serves as an economical marketing tool compared to costly promotional campaigns. The bottom line. Media kits are not just informational packets for the press, they can also be instrumental in marketing and brand development. By incorporating product samples, video reviews, or promotional offers, you can enhance your media kit's value. Furthermore, maintaining an online version of your media kit increases your reach and ensures you are accessible to your target audience. In summary, whether you're launching a new product or seeking media coverage, a comprehensive media kit is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your public relations efforts.